Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. Decisions. I'm ready. My name's Trish, and on this channel we discuss all things home, all things life, and just all of the different things. I am on the go as always. I'm on my way to Project 2K. I finally have a sander, so we are going to sand that table down and see what it looks like. That's like the last thing I need, like the last big item I need to make sure works in the space, and then I can start to decorate. So I'm really looking forward to like seeing how this sand, how this table turns out, because I don't typically sand anything. So yeah, I'm kind of nervous to make sure I do it correctly, but we're gonna work through it. I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get there.
And then you can finish going with the grain.
So this is going with the grain. This is going against it.
Yes, I
don't like going against the grain.
But you keep going up and down because you want to rough it up to get this whole top.
Okay, go ahead.
So you see.
I just got a quick tutorial on how to use this sander. So this is what this one leg looks like so far. And we just set it up outside. So I'm gonna get started. I don't even know how to turn the thing on.
No, hold on to this.
Do I hold it too?
You hold it out. Get off of that. That moves. Just keep it moving. Keep moving.
So we're gonna start with this side. We already kind of sanded this down. This one looks okay. So we're gonna hit this side. How long would you say that side took? About 3 minutes there? Woo. Okay, so this is gonna take a little minute. I thought it was gonna be maybe, I don't know what I thought, maybe like an hour, but I've been working on this one leg for like the last 10 minutes and it's still not done. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the legs home because they're small and I can do that outside of my house, and then I'll just bring those back. But I'm gonna start working on this table here because I don't really wanna transport this back and forth. So I'm gonna start working on the table and then we'll get to, I wanna try the stain. Yeah, it's hot out here. I just realized I'm steady sanding, and some of y'all may not have seen it before. So I'm sanding this brown table down because look up like all the imperfections. I had this table for like the last, I don't know, 10, 12, maybe even 15 years. So I'm just, y'all know we're trying to stay within that $2,000 budget. So I'm using what we have, some gifted things, and just thrifting throughout this whole project. This table was still in good condition. The bones were good. It just looked, it's just going through some wear and tear, it endured some wear and tear. So I'm trying to take off this top layer and just sand it. So probably something like a similar finish, but it should just look cleaner. So that's what I'm working on now. Whew, I'm baking. I'm out here baking. Y'all, and the vibration is kind of hurting my hands a little bit, so I just put these gloves on. Just to have like some sort of barrier in between my hand and the machine, but it's helping a little. I wish I could fit this table in my car. If so, I might take it home and finish because I can do it under my deck. Whereas out here, I'm just in the sun, baking. My hands are wet, so now it's hard to put the gloves on. I'm ready.
She does it well. Homebody Trish can't be missed. Whether she's unwinding and designing or whining and dining, she's steadily climbing.
My hands are drenched. I don't know if y'all can tell. My hands are drenched from just being in these gloves. It's hot out here. I quit. And look at the table. Hold on. Look at the table. Been trying to sand this down. This is as far as I got. So we're gonna have to wrap this up and complete it. Oh, a little later. It's like a hand detox. I'm sweating. All right, I'm trying to figure. I don't know where I put my screws for these curtain rods. I was gonna have big man over here hang them up before he gets out of here.
That's my last favorite. I'm telling you.
Before he gets out of here, but I know that these curtains are, I believe, 96. I don't know for certain. I believe there was 96, maybe 108. I'm not sure. But we measured. This is 100. This ceiling is 100 inches tall. Oh, see, that was my light. This ceiling is 100 inches. Let me take this scarf off. I had this on because I was outside with the sander, but anyway. So I'm trying to figure out where to get the curtain rod hung, and I believe these are 96 inches tall. So I'm just doing this. There, can you take a picture of me so I can see how it hangs? I mean, where it falls.
Where your phone at?
I was trying to figure out where. Oh, it's so dark in here. I was trying to eye where to hang the curtains, but because we don't have like a ladder or anything to hang up. But I believe these are 96. The ceiling is 100 inches. This is stressing me out, how dark it is. All right, so yeah, like I was saying, trying to figure out where to hang the curtains. The ceiling is 100 inches, and I believe these are 96. So I'm just gonna go right over top of the window, and they should hang. I don't want them to really drag on the floor. They can just like kiss the floor. So we should be good. I don't really recommend just like eyeing it like I'm doing right now, but I think I'm good. We measured like 4 inches off the wall, and these are 96, so we should be good. And this is a back tab curtain, wherever it is. It's a back tab, so it's kind of gonna, fall a little bit lower. Or actually probably more so exact because it's a back tab. If it was like the rings, it would drop a little lower, so we should be good. I'll show y'all once I'm done. There are so many things working against me right now. I feel like the heat is taking me out of here. It's so hot outside. So I packed that table up. I'm gonna take it home because I have a deck outside of my backyard. So under the deck is shade. And I'm gonna wait till like the sun goes down a little bit to try to sand it down. Hold on. Yeah. I'm gonna wait till the sun goes down just a little bit to try to sand that table down, because if not, I'm gonna be sanded down. I'm gonna be outside dripping. But I did bring the table. Sorry, I did bring the table from my house, and I set it right here on the side. Let's look at it and see if we prefer this silver table. Somebody in the comments definitely suggested I get like a glass table instead of the wood ones, and I'm in complete agreement with this. I think that it keeps the space open. And on that side, so we're not gonna, you know what's crazy? Can you return stuff to Goodwill? Because now I'm not using this, what is it called here? I'm not using the coffee table. And then I'm not gonna use the end tables either, because in this corner, I'm going to put like a plant, because I don't have two of these end tables. So I'm gonna put a plant on that side, and then this side we'll do the end table. I think that'll look good, and it'll keep the space open. I'm trying to get out the way so y'all can actually see what's going on here. And it's just try to ignore everything that's like, I'm still in the mix of it. I'm trying to see what I have and what I still need to get. So I'm trying to see what I have and what I still need to get. And now I kind of feel like, this chair could potentially work, because I was thinking about only using one of the chairs because I don't know if it was going to take up too much space. But we can move that down a little, put this here. We might be able to keep both of the chairs. Maybe. I'll make a final decision on this chair once I get the area rug. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I will definitely make a final decision on the chair once I get the area rug. But the glass table is a winner. So I'm gonna have to, next time I come, I'll have my husband move these end tables out and this coffee table because I'm not gonna use it. All right, and while I'm here, I'm just gonna dust off this. Since this area rug doesn't work, dang, I should have had my husband pack it back up while he was here. Oh, my phone! I'm about to break my phone. Just gonna clean this table off real quick while I'm here. It's gonna have to get wiped down again, but to just look at it, dusty was bothering me. Dang, I should have had my husband pack up this chair while he was here. I mean, this area rug. Let's see if he's still. Nope, he didn't left. Because I can take this back home. Figure out a way to clean it. I'll leave it here for now. That's fine. I just got home and I forgot the other day I made some spaghetti sauce and I never made the noodles to go with it. We ended up eating like leftovers or something. So now I'm about to just throw together a ziti, take the kids for ice cream and call it a day. I'm not touching that table again tonight. Maybe tomorrow. Ready for the oven. Oh, I'm so glad I had this already prepped like the sauce because now this was easy to just throw it together and it's gonna last probably 2 or 3 days. All right, y'all, I'm just trying to take this aluminum foil off the top. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes. I'm gonna let it cook for another not 45. This is my problem. I like to make ziti and fill it up to the very top, the rim of the pan, and then I struggle to maneuver with it. I'm gonna take this off and let it sit for like let it cook for like another 20 minutes. Come on. Oh my God. Then we'll be good to go. Shoot. See? If my husband saw me doing this, he would have a fit. He hates when I do this. Oh my gosh. Now I'm starting to hate that I do this. I gotta take this up. Take this out. Because it's gonna touch the top of the ziti. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, now we can let this cook for another 15 to 20 minutes and we're good to go. While this is cooking, I'm gonna go run the kids to the store. I told them I would get them not ziti. I would let them get some ice cream. So we'll get that and then we'll come back and eat. Yeah, so we are about to run to get some ice cream from this creamery and my husband is out here cutting the grass. I don't think he knows what he's doing. What in the world? Look at this. All right, time to get ice cream.
Want a cake?
And Lisa, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
He said he missed your order?
Yeah.
Let me try some. I never had none before.
So I got butter brickle and turtle.
Don't make a mess.
Delicious.
I'm gonna put this on the napkin for you. I'm gonna put it on the napkin.
Go ahead.
Did you already lick that part?
Sure did.
Did you lick that part?
I licked the whole thing.
Mom!
Lawrence don't care.
Levin, you supposed to let me try a little bit.
I want to try some too.
So delicious.
Bro, no, that's not. It don't got no ice cream. That's her home.
Y'all so greedy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that was small.
11. Then you want to let me get some? You already ate it.
That's how you can
that
get double.
was-
Wait, let me see. Let me see.
You got a single scoop.
One thing was cool.
She
Creamery. And they have like different houses on this land.
you,
Can y'all move? Different houses on this land. Like they're all family though. And then this is the farm. Cows back there.
What? No, the cow's over there.
No, you can see them all in the back.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
You need to zoom in to see them. Here. Oh, snap, bro. I'm scared. Here, come. Here. Are you actually about to feed it?
All right, y'all. It is a few days, probably like a week later. That table is stressing me out. What I thought was going to be like a convenience, because one, I told y'all, like the table for the project, right, that I was sanding down about a few days ago. I thought it was going to be an easy, quick, pull the sander out, get the brown, get to take the layer off and stain it. It is so time consuming. It's so time consuming. And I think I may need like a harder grit, possibly, my husband was saying, because I guess however long it was taking to sand it down, he said it probably shouldn't have taken that long. So I may have bought the wrong grit. So long story short, I'm starting to think I don't even want to use that table anymore. One, it works. Like it's not too big for the space, but y'all remember I have that other table that I could potentially use, that gray one, the rectangle. I'll try to pop up a picture, or I'll go downstairs. I'll show y'all the table if I can. But it's like a gray table, probably about 5 feet long. It's a rectangle. So I'm thinking about just using that, because the amount of time it's taking me to sand this table, and it's time, the materials, I don't know if I want to do it anymore. Honestly, I thought it was going to like help, but I think it's actually hindering the progress with this project, and I'd have to finish this within like the next 3 weeks. So I don't even know if I have the time to designate to like sanding and staining and getting all that together. So I don't know. Let me know. Do y'all think I should keep on with that? I'm stressed out, y'all. The table is stressing me out. My God, like the little things are stressing me out. So long story short, I haven't got around to finishing sanding the table. The weather, I had to do it outside. The weather's on and off. Like today is actually a beautiful day. It's not too bad, but of course my kids need me today. We're about to get out of here soon, and I have to take one of my kids is going to her cousin's house, and another kid has a basketball game. So, and I need to go get some groceries, some fruits and stuff, because y'all know I'm trying to do better. I'm trying to do better as far as like my eating and just like working out and stuff like that. So I want to go get some fruits and stuff to juice, some fruits and vegetables to juice. So that's a priority today. So yeah, just time is not really on my side. And like I said, you're either gonna pay with time or you're gonna pay with money. And I just like that there is another alternative for a table. And if not, we can run to like a Goodwill, thrift store, whatever, to see if they have any tables there. The only con is I guess it wouldn't be a waste, but the grit, I already opened them, so I wouldn't be able to necessarily return those. I really do want to finish this table though, because I would like to see, I've never done it before. And I think that's the learning curve. I've never sanded a table down and like stained it or anything like that. So I thought it was going to be a quick little thing, like pull the sander out, pull the stain out, let it dry, maybe put another layer on and go on about my day. No, it's very time consuming. So yes, you're going to get what I envision to be that well manicured and like finished look at the end, but I don't know if it's worth the amount of time that it's taking. Decisions. I don't know. I got to figure that part out. But yeah, I have not got around to finishing the table. I'm still thinking about whether I want to finish it. When this video goes up, yeah, let me know. Please let me know if y'all think I should just thug it out and finish it, or use the gray table and move on with the project, because I do have to complete this in the next 3 weeks. So that's kind of what I'm juggling too. Just so many different factors.